Hi, I'm Josh with GME Supply, and in this video we're going to show you how safety training through the online courses offered at Safety LMS will save you and your crew time and money. For years, Safety LMS has been changing the way the industry handles training by offering expert on-site courses and exams and always staying ahead of the curve with current industry standards and state-of-the-art equipment. And now that level of expertise you've come to know and trust can be conveniently accessed online through your desktop or mobile device. By taking these courses online, any worker can get the training they need without having to take an extended leave from the job site. You can finish a class at your own pace, which is great for doing an hour after work each night, or even while you're riding in the truck on the way to a job. Safety LMS has a growing list of courses. Some of the courses offered are Fundamentals of RF EME Radiation, Capstan Hoist Operations, Crane Spotter Signal Person, OSHA 10-hour construction training, OSHA 30-hour construction training, OSHA 10 and 30-hour general industry, and more. And like other courses offered through Safety LMS, much of the curriculum can be accessed in both English and Spanish. For managers, we can set you up to track the progress of employees along the way, so you can point them in the right direction if they are lagging behind, and make sure your employee gets their certifications immediately after completion. Along with online certification courses, Safety LMS can provide customized HR onboarding programs that are specific to your company's policies and procedures. This is designed to limit the need for physical in-classroom teaching time while becoming more interactive with questions and videos along the way. This replaces a process that would normally consist of a new employee reading out of a handbook. You can find the whole online course catalog and enrollment information at safetylmsonline.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos and follow us on all social media channels. Also, check out our podcast, Gear Up with Gear Experts, a show dedicated to at-height industry and construction. Find it at gearexperts.com.